Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all a super cheap way to modernize the look of your car's interior and at the same time address something that not a lot of people address on these cars. So something not addressed on these is really how bad the freaking brake pedal and gas pedal are when it comes to terms of feel. So unless you have like an M-Sport F30 or M3 or something, the pedals on these things, in my opinion, suck. Every time I get wet shoes and I put my foot on the dead rest right over there, it slides straight off. So we're going to fix that by upgrading to these nice M-Sport ones. These are going to have metal right here, so that's nice and premium looking. It looks great. They just have these thick rubber grooves that your foot can actually catch on even when your shoes are wet. So you can see here we have the gas pedal and the brake pedal, and they're going to slide straight on. And these things look sick, guys. I mean, they really look a lot more modern. I mean, that's like one of the areas in the car that people don't look. And I don't know, I just feel like having this in there is going to just look great and look a lot more modern. It has these thick rubber grooves going on it, so when you actually are applying pressure, you know, on the gas and stuff, even when you have wet shoes, it's actually going to stick there. Your feet aren't just slide off like those terrible freaking plastic ones. So yeah, I'm really hyped to put these on. They slide right on the car. And you can even see with the brake pedal, guys, I mean, it has these thick rubber grooves with these edges on it. I don't know if y'all can see these edges. Those look like they're gonna catch freaking great. But yeah, guys, I'm super hyped to install these. So yeah, without further ado, let's go and smack these on. So you can see it's gonna have this like residue on there. That's because it has this protective little cover over it, and you peel it right off. So that was just some adhesive that was left over. So we're gonna go ahead and peel this off. Sweet, so now we're gonna go ahead and slide this over to the gas pedal. So to do that, it should just slide right over the top of it. Just like that. So basically we're going to install it. These outer portions peel out, they're rubber. So go ahead and just peel that out, put it over, and then make sure you slide it all the way down so it's nice and secure. And get the carpet out the way too. And now with the brake pedal, you actually have to remove this. So the brake pedal is going to be set up just like this basically, and it's going to have rubber grooves on the back part. And yeah, you're basically going to go ahead and just pull the rubber grooves off the back and should get the whole pedal pad off. Bam, just like that. So now we have our pedal off. This material is not the worst, but I don't know, guys, like when it gets wet, it's just super slippery. That's a no-go. We're gonna go ahead and put the new one on, and you're gonna slide this right over it just like this, and make sure it's all nice and secure. And then feel along the back and make sure that all the rubber tabs are in place. And the best way I'd say to install both these, here's what I meant, is these rubber tabs, you want to put it on basically. I dug it in the side first, slid it over, and then from the back part, I was basically just pulling on these grooves as I went along and fitting it over the actual brake pedal. And then at the end, you really just want to make sure it's secured. And then you also want to feel the back and make sure all the rubber tabs are showing, none of them are stuck. But yeah, guys, now we have our M-Sport metal pedals on there, and they look freaking great. And complete game changer, guys. They look freaking sick. Definitely worth the 20 bucks I spent on them already. I mean, they look freaking cool, guys. Yeah. Looks like I have the F30 M-Sport pedals on it now. They feel so much better. I'm pulling down on my foot, and they're actually staying in place. And don't mind the little residue that's reflecting off them. Again, that's residue from the protective cover. I rubbed it, started to come off. So I'm gonna use some Goo Gone on that. Those work great. If you like the way these new M-Sport pedals look, go and smash a thumbs up. For 20 bucks, they're worth every cent already. They look freaking sick. They look like they're worth more than 20 bucks. They feel way better than the old ones. And yeah, guys, I would actually highly recommend doing this upgrade for anybody with a BMW. Comment down below if y'all run into any issues at all. I'll go ahead and leave a link down below for y'all can purchase your own pedals just like this. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out, guys.